How to share WhatsApp status to Facebook story. Want to share your WhatsApp status directly to your Facebook story? Follow this simple guide to learn how to do it. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on the Updates button at the bottom of the screen. Then click on your status. If you click on the status icon again, you'll see a preview of your status. To share it directly to your Facebook story, click on the three dots next to your status. Next, tap the Share to Facebook Story option that appears below your status. A window will open with more details about sharing your status to Facebook Story. You can share the status without leaving WhatsApp, choose which statuses to share, and control who can see your status. Let's start by clicking on the Get Started button. WhatsApp will redirect you to the Facebook app and your account. If you want to share it to a different account, tap on Have a different account. A new profile will open. Then confirm your agreement with Facebook's privacy policy by clicking the Agree button. If you want to always share your WhatsApp statuses to your Facebook story, check the Always Share My Status to My Facebook Story option in this window. Finally, tap Share Now to post your status as a Facebook story. I'll open the Facebook app to check if the status has been shared. And as you can see, my status is now on my Facebook story. And that's it. For more helpful tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and like this video.